Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to use Redmi mobile alarm setting. Friends, you want to use Redmi mobile alarm setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Redmi mobile alarm setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So how to set alarm in Redmi mobile we will talk about. Turn on your clock. After turn on clock friends, you can see this type interface in your clock. So first of all guys, we will tap here alarm icon, select your alarm icon, and friends you can see I don't have any alarm here. You want to use alarm, tap on your alarm plus icon, tap here. So friends you can see after 2 minutes we will use this alarm ringtone. First of all select, so I will use alarm dream ringtone. I will use it. Alarm repeat setting, daily same time, only Monday to Friday, custom, only Monday, only Tuesday, only Wednesday, only Thursday, only Friday, and only Saturday, and only Sunday you want to use. So you can select day and you can use it. Alarm vibrate setting, you want to on, you want to off, so you can on and you can off. After setup alarm, right tap here friends, you can see alarm will say after 1 minute you can use, and you can check notification upcoming alarm 12:06. And alarm volume friends, we will increase and decrease. You want to increase, you can decrease alarm volume. Okay, so then we will wait for 1 minute. And friends, if you tap here stopwatch you want to use, so you can use stopwatch setting. Phone timer you want to set, so you can set timer, you can on timer. So friends, we have 15 seconds. After 15 seconds you can use alarm in your Redmi mobile. 2 1 0 start. We will stop alarm. So like that friends, you want to use alarm, so you can set alarm and you can use in your Redmi mobile. Again you want to add one more alarm, so if you tap here plus icon, select your alarm time. Alarm vibrate setting, you can on and you can off. Alarm repeat setting, you can set daily, only Monday to Friday. Friends, you can see Monday to Friday, daily same time. So friends, you can see daily same time, once only one time. Right tap here, alarm will set. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.